Good evening, children. How are you all?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Fine,
evening,
ma'am.
ma'am. We are fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also good, beta. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I posted a few doubts on the chat box.
Yes, Abhinav, I have seen. Abhinav, can you share the questions on my personal window? Then I will reply on personal window only, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So, children, first of all, tell me, have you done exercise 7.1? There, Abhinav, Moksha, Siddhishri, Sumok,
Half done, ma'am.
Siddharth, Aryan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Have you done 7.1 exercise, children?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Siddharth, Aryan. Because I want to start new topic. Tell me, have you done, children, or not? Only few children are saying that they have done. What about others?
I have done it, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Children, tell me how you will find the midpoint of a line. Suppose a line is given PQ and its coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. And R is the midpoint of this PQ. How you will find it?
We'll find its distance and divide it by 2.
Find the distance and divide by 2. Right? Fine. Or see, have you remembered in your rational number, if you have given two rational numbers, suppose A and B, and we have to find this rational number C. So what was it? A plus B divided by 2 or not? Have you remembered
Yes,
in grade
ma'am.
8 you have studied this? Grade 8 and 9. So in the same way, when R is the midpoint of this P and Q, so coordinates of R point will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Fine. Children, I am going to explain section formula. Section formula. Section formula is when PQ line is divided by any point R, or you can say any line, okay, R, internally, then it's divided in the ratio M ratio N. It means PR is M and RQ is N. Fine. And coordinates of P1 is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y. And we need to find the coordinate of R. So coordinates of R will be. So you can learn this by like this, cross multiply. It means, first of all, you will multiply x coordinates by M. So it will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus. Fine, beta? Because you need to write x2 first. Then comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus. This is the section form. So whenever a line PQ is divided into ratio, in ratio m is to n, then what will be the coordinates of R? The coordinates of R will be this one. Okay, children. So see, By this formula, I will explain the midpoint. Even I can show you the derivation, but it will be quite lengthy. So midpoint C. Suppose PQ line is there and it will be divisible by any point R. Now midpoint is there, they are saying. It means in equal ratio. So if I will ask you that they are dividing ratio 1:1. 1:1. Okay. So see beta, value of M is 1 and value of N is also 1. So x1, y1 be the coordinates of P and x2, y2 be the coordinates of Q. So now coordinate of R. Now put the values of M and N here. So 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 1 plus 1, comma 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon 1 plus 1. Okay. So x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by. Got it, beta? Yes, children, have you understood? Bhavna,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri, Sumukh, Sudhamshu,
Yes,
Aryan,
ma'am.
Moksha,
Yes,
Abhinav,
ma'am.
Dhairya, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this. And this topic is very, very important. This is the last topic in this chapter. Coordinate geometry.
We
And turn
are,
on
we are
your
done with the
cameras
chapter
also.
already.
Yes, beta?
We are done with the chapter already.
No, we have not done. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly show me
Yes,
a
ma'am.
thumbs up, children. Okay. Now suppose the question will come like this. Find the coordinates of point which divides divides. If this word came in your question, it means you need to apply section formula, divide word. Okay. Divides the line joining -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3 internally. Okay. So, see, this is your line PQ let, and the coordinate of P is -1, 7 and Q coordinates are 4, -3. And a point divides in ratio 2:3. Right, beta? So now let P and Q be the coordinates of, be the point of line. Okay. Or you can write PQ with a, let P -1, 7 and Q 4, -3. And value of M is 2 and value of N is 3. Now value of X1 will be -1, Y1 will be 7, and then X2 is 4 and Y2 is -3. Now find the value of R. So formula was MX2 plus NX1 upon M plus N, comma, MY2 plus NY1 upon N plus. Okay. Now children, put the values here in this formula and tell me the answer. Tell me.
Done. Once can you solve it, ma'am? I'm getting a different.
Yes, Abhinav?
Ma'am, can you solve it, ma'am? I'm not sure with that.
Okay. See, beta, just put the values there. The value of m is 2, na? 2. X2 is 4 plus n is 3. X1 is minus 1 upon 2 plus 3. Then comma m by 2. So 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus n is 3. Y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now solve. 2 4 is 8. 3 1 3. 2 plus 3 5 comma 2 3 6 minus 6. 7 3 21 divided by 5. Now 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5. 21 minus 6 is 15 by 5. So now your coordinates will be 1 comma 3. This is the answer. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, beta? Yes, children, all have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Moksha is replying. Aryan, Siddharth, Dhairya,
Done, ma'am.
Bhavna, Rizwana,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhi,
Done, ma'am.
Sudhanshu, Pramod.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now
Done.
next question. Same like this. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the point which divides line joining. Coordinates are 2 comma minus 9 and 5 comma 2 and 2 is to 3. Fine, beta. Children, turn on your camera also. And I will see your notebooks also.
Ma'am, we have to solve this question.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, do we have to solve this question?
Which one?
Now you are showing, ma'am. Find the coordinates of the point which.
Yes. Same you have to do like previous one. Write the
Okay.
coordinates of x1, y1, x2, y2 and value of m is 2 and value of n is 3. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the values
Yes.
16 by 5 and minus 23 by 5.
16 by
5.
16 by 5. Yes, children, have you got the same value which Sumukh is saying?
Yes, ma'am.
X1 is 2, Y1 is minus 9, and X2 is 5, and Y2 is 2. So now apply the formula. So mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma, m by 2 plus n by 1 upon m plus n, right? Now m is 2, x2 is 5, plus n is 3, x1 is 2, divided by 2 plus 3, comma, m is again 2, y2 is 2, plus n is 3, y1 is minus 9, divided by 2 plus 3. So now 2 5s are 10, plus 3 2s are 6, divided by 5, comma, 4, minus 9 3s are 18 by 5. So 16 by 5, comma, minus 14 by 5. So this answer all I've got?
Ma'am, 3 9s are 27, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. 3 6 I have written. -27, so it will be minus 23. Right? So children, they can ask you also this thing, that in which quadrant the coordinates of that point will lie. So in which quadrant the coordinates will lie? Tell children, in which x is positive and y is negative. That is fourth quadrant,
Fourth
right?
quadrant.
Okay. So now next question is, find the coordinates of the point points of trisection. What do you mean by trisection, children?
Ma'am, 3 parts.
Yes?
3 parts.
Yes, 3 parts of the segment joining the points -4, -1 and -2, -. So now hint I will give you, rest you will solve. See, line joining this. So P, let this point be Q, P and Q. So P will be 4, -1 and Q will be -2, -3. And they are saying that trisection. It means it will divide into 3 equal parts. So let this part be 1, this part be 1 and this part will be 1. So 3 are there, 1, 2, 3. So mark this point A and B. So you need to find coordinates of both the points A and B. So how will you find? So you will write case 1. So for case 1, when you are finding coordinate of A, the value of M will be 1 and the value of N will be 1 plus 1, 2. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for case second, it means you need to find the value of B. Now, this distance, that is your M, is 2 here, and this value is 1. So now find the values of A and B and tell. Hurry up.
In the first case, the values are 2 and minus 5 by 3.
2 and?
Minus 5 by 3.
Okay. And then second one?
I'm doing
Okay.
Ma'am, I got case 1 as 2 comma minus 5 by 3.
Okay.
Ma'am, case 2 I got 0 and minus 7 by 3.
Siddharth, you are telling me Which coordinate, beta? A or B?
Ma'am, case one, ma'am.
One you will get 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and second one will be 0 comma minus 7 by 3.
Yes, ma'am. Got the same answer.
Siddharth, Abhinav, Rizwana, Moksha, Bhavna, Siddhisri, Dhairya, Abhinav, Aryan, Sumukh, Puriya.
Ma'am, I completed.
Can you solve it?
Yes, beta. Rizwana.
Ma'am, I solved the question.
Okay, good, beta, Sumukh.
Mom, can you solve it?
Yes. See, beta, for case 1, the value of m and n. Have you understood this thing? Why I have taken value of m as 1 and value of n as 2? Because this A point is situated here. And the distance of Q from A is 1 plus 1, 2. That is the value of n. And the distance of A from P is 1. Right, beta? So now x1 is 4, y1 is minus 1, and x2 is minus 2, and y2 is minus 3. Fine. So now coordinate of A will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now put the values beta here. 1 into x2 is minus 2 plus 2 into x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2, comma, value of n is 1, m is 1, y2 is minus 1, sorry, y2 is minus 3, n is 2, y1 is minus, upon 1 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 4 2 is 8 divided by 3, comma, minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. So coordinates will be 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3. So it will be 2 beta, comma, minus 5 by 3. Right? Understood, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for case second, the value of m is 2 and value of n is 1. So now B coordinate will be mx2. So m is 2, x2 is minus 2 plus nx1. So 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1, comma, m by 2. So m 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into y1. So minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 2 ja 4 plus 4 divided by 3, comma 3 2 ja 6 minus 1 divided by 3. So 4 minus 4 is 0, comma minus 7 by 3. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So children, your today's homework is that you need to do first 4 questions from exercise 7.1. 7.2, sorry. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Those who have written, they can leave. Bye-bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta.
Ma'am, I'll send those questions in the WhatsApp.
Yes, I will send you on the WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Have you sent on the WhatsApp?
I will send, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta. Done, Aryan? There, done, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Bye-bye, beta. Aryan?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.